Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple guacamole. Start with 3 ripe avocados, ensuring they are soft but not mushy. Halve them, remove the pits, and scoop the creamy flesh into a bowl. Next, add 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, and 1 small minced jalapeno for a little kick. Finish with the juice of 1 fresh lime to brighten the flavors. Now it's time to mash. Use a fork or a potato masher to gently break down the avocado, leaving some chunks for texture. Avoid over-mashing to prevent a watery consistency. Once mashed, fold in the red onion, cilantro, and jalapeno. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper, adjusting to your preference for the perfect balance. Give your guacamole a taste test. This is your chance to fine-tune the flavors. Add more salt, a squeeze of lime, or extra jalapeno if you like it spicier. If you enjoy a bit more tang, a small amount of finely diced tomato can be a great addition. Serve your fresh, homemade guacamole right away with your favorite chips or veggies. If you happen to have any delicious guacamole left over, proper storage is key to keeping it fresh and vibrant. To prevent browning, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole before sealing it in an airtight container. This method helps minimize air exposure. You can then refrigerate it for up to 2 days. Also, for other fantastic deals and that special sock link, remember to check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.